Where on earth were you educated? Patina. Do you film in Monaco? Yes, I do.
Well, good morning everyone, and welcome back to the vlog. Yep, I'm vlogging for the first time in like 10 years. But I'm here in America, in California, for Monterey Car Week. And you may have seen some of my content from this event before, you may have seen others' content from this event. It's mayhem, it's absolute chaos. It is an incredible week, but I find it very hard to make the kind of content I want to make. I've been struggling. I thought, you know what? The best thing to do is just bring all of you along with me for a day here at Car Week, show you what it's like. And I think I've picked the best day. If you've noticed, I'm dressed a little fancy. And that's because we're going to one of the fanciest events of Car Week, the Quail. Even if you've never been to Car Week before, even if you've never heard of Monterey Car Week, you may have heard of the Quail because it's become America's Goodwood Festival of Speed or Geneva Motor Show. Cars get launched at the Quail, cars get sold at the Quail. I mean, tickets are $1,500 each. Luckily, I have a media pass. This job gets me many perks and benefits, and getting into the Quail for zero is one of them. So I implore you all, become a YouTuber so that you can then attend fancy events. But yeah, I'm expecting lots of new cars, lots of old friends, and a day full of car mayhem here at Car Week. This, by the way, is the Rivian R1T quad that I've been using out here in America for the last couple of weeks. It is a 1,000 horsepower quad motor electric pickup truck. It's actually kind of amazing. It's really nice interior. They've got all their own sort of infotainment systems that work really nicely. It has crazy self-driving capabilities, but most impressively, it can make the tires squeal even on dirt. Yeah, I went out to the desert in Joshua Tree and I went kind of light off-roading, put this thing into drift mode, launched it, and even on a really loose sandy surface, the wheel spins so aggressively because it's got so much power, it went eeeeee! I was like, what the hell? Oh, look at this. Already got a mad car. That's a Vanquish Zagato convertible. What do they call that? There you go. It's 7:45 and we've already seen something ludicrous. Fantastic. Thank you so much. Have a good one. Cheers. Well, that sounds pretty good. Anyway, we've got the goods. It is still pretty early though. It's 8:10. That feels like, oh my God, a Zonda Cinque just drove past. And then is that the new Bizzarini? I mean, a Zonda Cinque just drove past. Now I feel like I was about to say I don't need to go in yet because I can, just go and get a coffee. But oh, now here come the supercar Ron boys. It's all popping off straight away. I kind of want to go and find that Zonda Cinque. How do I unlock this car? God damn it. So I've abandoned the Rivian because when you get a media pass, you have to park far away from the event and you get a shuttle in. The best thing about getting the shuttle is it's a good chance to bump into friends. You're in the vlog.
Hi. That was really freaky.
I'm going for creepy vibes today.
Yeah, I'm like just on my phone browsing, like, whoa.
Hello, did you know I was here?
Sam. I had no idea.
How's your car week?
It's really busy. It's cold, which is nice.
Yes, it rained yesterday. That was weird, wasn't it?
So, I felt like today are we wearing jumpers and trousers, because we're English. But yeah, we are.
How many cars have you bought that are being unveiled today?
No, that's Goodwood.
Ah, okay, sorry, I got confused.
The difference here is this is where the billionaires play.
Ah, you've got to catch up a little bit.
Every car is a few million.
Yes.
It's not the same game.
Work a bit harder too.
Yeah, just a lot harder.
I think Supercar Ron's buying everything.
I feel like I've met a couple of people who are buying everything.
Yeah.
But this is where you have Blackbird, the new MCL 6 GT. You have.
Hey, you're doing spoiler alert, Tim.
Oh, sorry.
Spoiler alert.
No, still not the outlet. I have a story for you.
Go on, please.
So I was on the internet a few years ago. I saw this video of this guy driving a Squadra Corsa, and I was like, "Who the f is this?" And you're driving my car, so that's why I bought it back. So I saw you driving it.
That's a great
abusing
car.
it.
Yeah,
I bought it
abusing
back.
it. Did you literally?
He sold it and bought the same car back. Yep.
No.
He stole it too, by the way.
Oh shit. Okay, well, I don't know if that's a good thing or
You
a
were
bad
kicking the
thing.
door shut.
Yeah,
You're smoking in it.
I was, yeah, just doing lines of cocaine on the dashboard.
No, seriously, I saw the video. I was like, "Why did I sell that car?" And I bought it back.
Oh, sick. Okay, well done.
It's here.
It's here?
It's out front.
Oh, I love
Not
it.
in here. No.
No.
No, we wouldn't want to dirty the reputation.
I don't think you're allowed to do that kind of thing. Anyway, good to see you guys as always.
How's it going so far? What,
Yeah, I'd have
what did you film so far? Oh, we're the first thing you filmed, isn't it? It is.
Yeah.
See, I think you guys have set multiple
Philip, explain what we're doing.
The Concours de Quelegance. You can come and win an award just by parking in the lot. We have me, and I get to be here because it's my event. We have him because he actually makes really cool cars.
Yeah.
We have him because...
We don't know who he is.
Yeah.
Diversity.
And then we have the English top in the back.
Thank you so much. And then what's Max's role?
Security.
Look at this dark blue Raptor here.
That's for the dark blue Raptor's very nice.
America, America.
No again. We'll have to stop and salute.
Yeah, next row, green bits arena.
Max is going to have a bloody trouser moment here.
I'll tell you what,
It's Italian.
That is about as good as it gets.
Has he entered?
Yes.
Yes. He actually drove past me in the media parking lot and gave me a wave, so I like
The
him.
original Palermo plates on it as well.
Yeah. What's the difference between original patinated paintwork and a shit respray? Because I'm not looking around here. There's movement here.
Yes.
Yeah,
Is that original or is that
traditional Italian work.
Traditional Italian work.
original? Might have been.
Aren't they doing a thing though, aren't they? Isn't Bizzarini
Is
back?
this a real one or is this a...
No,
Well,
this
this is where it gets complicated because it's
The
quite
badge
hard.
looks quite original.
Let's have a look for a bit of tin work.
Patinated. Have a look for a bit
And
of
that's a
tin work.
Palermo.
That is potentially original plates.
Never has the car park Concours de Quelegance been taken so seriously.
Say this was original.
Moving on, chaps.
Have a look down here. Have a look down here. It's got the front of the front of the body.
Usually we just pick stupid
that's
silly
random.
cars.
Now they're getting serious.
We've never inspected a car before in our life.
What you thought was a project tape was a Nissan Sentra.
That's what I know about cars.
I'm going to see a Beetle later and say, look, a 911K. I like the Land Cruiser. Look, it's got proper patina on it. That's cool.
That is cool.
Yeah, but the last time someone had that, they tried
It's
to bribe us.
patina. Where on earth were you educated? Patina. Do you film in Monaco?
I go to Monaco all the time.
Is that a spiker?
Where?
Is there a spiker here? Yeah.
But the F80, look at the F80, there's a green F80!
Dark green F80. Yeah.
Come on, the F80 is outrageous.
These are amazing.
But have they put the tags on?
Well, let's put one on. Let's find a tag and stick it on.
dark green?
That is ridiculous, guys.
It is roughly oak green, isn't it?
Yeah, it's not bad.
I think
But
that's...
he doesn't have a tag, so he's not entered. So he
Give
can't
me a
play.
tag, give me a tag, I'm going to
you
put it
can't.
on.
Stop bleeding Ferrari.
Mate, this is
Spiker.
F80 presented in Verde Affluent.
As is your jacket. Very strong. This is a P.
Is that
There's
a real short wheelbase up
a
there?
couple of P1s. No, that's my friend Aaron's. It's a GTO Revival car.
Okay, well we're gonna keep going then.
Oh, how rude.
Solid.
Sorry, Aaron.
5LT.
Yeah, that's nice.
It is entered.
Look at the interior.
Fabulous. That's a great looking car. Great looking car.
It's not a Bizzarini. Yeah, that's why you're here, Max. That's why you're here.
You're right, it's not a bit. That's my friend CJ's.
Yeah, CJ's old P1 next to another one.
I do like JRG.
What is that? Is that an aero kit?
It's actually PTS Jewish Racing Golf.
Well, he looked at the 911K and said, "That's the best 911 ever. I've got to have a bit of that." And so he went a little more subtle.
Sure. Okay.
Yeah.
What's that thing at the end? The Hummer thing.
Yeah.
What is that?
I like the. It's called a revolting.
Really dark.
I called it a revolt.
A revolting. Yeah.
Cartoon.
All aboard, gentlemen.
Okay, onwards.
We will go and see more.
Go into the car park.
Bye, Chris.
No, don't.
This is wonderful, but it's not entered. Again, can we enter it?
No, that's it. If they refuse to be part of it, they're not part of
I like them
it.
with no roof as well.
That's so pretty though. Very good looking.
Also, it's got massive anti-testicles sticking out the back of it.
I do like that.
What did you call them?
Anti-testicles, because they hang down. They always. It's like seeing a donkey from a side profile, isn't it? Answer exhaust.
What's fallen out here?
Something insignificant like the engine, probably.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, he's on his knees again. He's on his knees
Look at
again.
the clearance on the exhaust. I mean, why do they leave it like that? You can't.
Original Rome plates on
But
this one.
look at the clearance.
Guys, you're taking
Why did we bring
I'm never bringing you people again. Absolutely useless. You're supposed to say, I like that one because it's pretty.
You literally. AC Spider.
AC
Nice.
Spider.
Yeah, AC Spider's very. AC Spider's lovely.
You guys are just weak.
What?
8C Spider. If
Yes.
it's not a Disco Volante, I'm not interested.
Says the billionaire. This is very cool.
Oh, it's got the doilies.
It's got the doilies.
This is not a game.
Swipe, you got swiped though, sadly.
It's been damaged.
Oh, but is that
We
authentic?
mark him down.
I think you mark him up.
Yeah, I think that's authentic.
He made it from Japan here.
Taxi damage.
This video's going to do about 8,000 views.
That's good for my channel, Chris.
If we're
Yeah,
lucky.
that's good for my
You're
channel.
beating me. That's up there.
That is very
That's
cool.
wild.
That is very
Oh, look
cool.
at the cutout.
No, it's not in.
It's not in.
Crack on.
Yeah.
Ah, lads, I think the Bentley's good. Lads, I think the Bentley's
Wait,
really
Bentley.
Oh, look at
Yeah,
that lovely Bentley.
Cool. I got it in the vlog. You'll get paid.
What does beeline mean?
I don't think so.
Beeline Motor Club.
You just can't tell, can you?
The problem is
He's on the floor again.
the fakes.
Very, very
the fakes are as shit as the real ones.
Oh, sorry, thank you. Very new underneath that.
Okay, so hold on a sec. What about this? What's this? Three.
I bet
That
it's
looks
got,
nice.
I bet that's got an E39 engine in it, doesn't it?
That looks very nice, though.
What's that engine? Is that M60? No, S60.
Onward, Max Air.
That's cool. Oh, white Mulsanne.
Again and again. I've already got the Bentley shout outs in. All
aboard.
Sold for $830,000.
Well, the sun has come out and I've actually made my way over to the Broad Arrow auction. This year, Broad Arrow are the official auction partner of the Quail. I've been doing some stuff with them in LA and now up here. Just want to dive in. It's my first time really attending a proper car auction, so I just want to see what's been happening.
Alex's bidder at $1,475,000 less than $3,250,000 Donnie Gould. Happy to take.
Next up is the star of the show, which is this insane black Enzo. I think the estimate is north of $10 million, so let's see what happens.
Lot 277, the Enzo. We'll start here at $5 million. $8 million straight away over all of us. $8 million standing here. Here's Mr. Weaver at $8 million. 8.5 with Caroline standing at $8,500,000 now. $9 million. Hazen's been around at $9 million. Caroline. 9-1. 9-1. Who said that? Weaver. $9.1 million. How dare you? You were such a 5. 9.1. Caroline 9.2. 9.5. And 9.5. With you now. We have 9.55 with you. Back to you at 9.55. 9.55 is the bid.
25. 9625.
625. Thank you. $9,625,000. Understood. 9.65. 9,650,000 we have. Further to the left. All in the room. 9,650,000 I have.
9.7.
9.7. We will sell them at 9,700,000.
Yes, let's go!
seeing someone pay $10 million, or near as damn it, for an Enzo, watching that unfold, absolute madness. This event is one of a kind. I'm exhausted. It's not even really the end. There's now a number of manufacturers' events and drinks parties and dinners that I'm going to be going to, so I shouldn't complain. It's amazing, but it is flat out and it's full on. So there you go, a bit of a sneak peek into the madness of what one of these days is like. I hope you enjoyed it. Fun to get back and do a bit of a vlog, a different kind of bit of content for me. But yeah, I'll catch up with you all very soon. Bye-bye.